Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two platforms, which is automated system and anonymous system. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about automated system excel at handling repetitive rules-based tasks with speed and accuracy. They were cost-effective, reduce human error, and are easy to maintain, making them ideal for industries like manufacturing, finance, and logistics. The drawback is the rigidity, and once conditions shift outside the program rules, automated process fail to adapt. Talking about anonymous system, on the other hand, brings intelligence and adaptability. They can make real-time decisions, learn from data, and operate in unpredictable environments such as self-driving cars or AI-powered workflows. However, they were more expensive, complex, and can even introduce risk if the decision making goes wrong. So in conclusion, automation is best for reliability and scale, while autonomy is best for flexibility and innovation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.